The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium, and I've been hit by it too.
The lineups for this game. Got things underway. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I'm going to opt for the versatile Danny Welbeck. His preference, I'm sure, would be to play through the middle to score as many as possible, and he'll be judged on that ultimately. But he makes his pace count in wider areas too, and I think that's where he can be most effective.
Okay, interesting. Boots it upfield. Good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? And the defence can get it clear. Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. Plays a clever pass. Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. None shall pass, that's the message there. Trippier. Oh, good interception. It'll be a throw-in. Well played, he saw that coming. Gone back to the keeper. Tried to play it through.
Yeah, and the vision to get him through was all good, but the execution of the pass wasn't quite right. But importantly, he's holding his line until the very last moment, and that will pay off.
It's a long forward pass. Gets it back. Lobs it in gently. Can he put it away? That's gone a long way up and away. And it's Trippier. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Passes it through.
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
Gets it into the middle. Surely this time! Keeper's not concerned by that.
Yeah, not only do they hit fast on the counter-attack, Peter, but they show terrific effort and desire in getting forward in good numbers.
Share, knocks it towards the front, played out to the right, ball swung in. They've done it! Offside.
Well, obviously some sections of the crowd would disagree, but that was the right decision, albeit a late one.
Disappointment and relief on either side, nothing doing. Gets it upfield. Still goalless at the moment. Tries a through ball, and the flag has stayed down. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Look forward, what does he try from here? So what now? He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away, and he's going to have his name taken. Good running with the ball, can they build on it? Crosses it in low. Hoists it high. He's done well to tidy up the situation. No, he's not played the ball, that's a foul. And that's going to be a booking. Well positioned to make that interception. He'll have a dip! He's got away with one there.
Yeah, and it's very good play to force the initial error there. That's what created the opening in the first place.
Keeper's got good distance on that. Now here's the through ball. That always looked inevitable. The defence dealt with that really well. Gets it upfield. Can he find a finish now? Oh, great save, real class.
Much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Away from immediate danger. And the whistle goes for half-time. The midway point of the game.
Newcastle ended that first half in such a strong fashion. I think we'll just have to wait and see now if they can rekindle that drive and that determination. It's been great commitment, and that has to be maintained in the second half.
So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0.
Newcastle playing well with lots of opportunities and plenty positives to take from the first half. Despite this scoreline, converting chances would make a world of difference for them.
It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Out to the left it goes. Good run down the left. What can they make of it? Looks like a good ball through. Now the pass. Has gone out. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Pulls out once more. Looks to slip it through. Passes it through. What a save! Terrific reactions! That's a foul. Free kick's been given.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Welbeck. Quarter of an hour into the second half. Well into the second half, and still there's nothing between them. Welbeck. Now the pass. This is promising. Welbeck unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Welbeck. And it's Welbeck. Trippier looking to get on the end of this. Overhit and out of play. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Clears it out of harm's way. Milner, he goes long. What an adventurous run from a defender. Cut out in the nick of time. They've played it short. Forward it goes. Still going, where to next? Ball is over the line. There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. Managed to get it away. Tries a through ball. Shapes the shoot. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
The keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Looks like a good ball through. And it's a corner. That's a waste. Get a throw in. Milner with the ball through. Chance! Tries a long pass towards the front. Into the last 5 minutes. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Chip through, timely intervention. It's out for a goal kick. A chance! Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on.
Well, with the team's level now, possession is everything for him. He can't keep giving it away.
Into a minimum of 4 minutes additional time. Looks like a good ball through. Up for the header! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Newcastle had players queuing in the box in that situation, and they've still got nothing to show for it. What a complete and utter waste.
Oh, that's great stuff from him.
He's been a joy to watch, and that didn't miss by much. He'll be back.
Tries a through ball. And that will be the final act. Well, it looked 0-0 from a fair way out. Little craft or guile or penetration. Defence is largely untroubled. It's goalless. And after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, there were times when they looked like winning it and times when they looked like losing it, so they'll be reasonably happy to end up with what they've got.
So that's it from us. Many thanks go to Jim Beglin, and goodbye from us.